gonna die.
Time began to burn like a startling sign of fate. I remembered each flash as time began to burn like a startling sign that fate had finally found me and drove